Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Code with Nitmana. So friends, in this video we're just setting up our admin dashboard and remove that basic things that we don't need further. So firstly dashboard, and after that we just remove this and user profile we actually remain there, and after that we'll just remove all the things step by step. So just go to the code and let me remove all the tabs over here and this, and resources views. Here we have the sidebar as we already made this. So admin dashboard, if I just make this URL admin slash dashboard, does it actually works or not? Just click on this. Okay, it actually works fine. Has arrow parent icon, be home circle, just remove the class. Okay, so perfectly work. Inside we don't need anything inside dashboard. Don't need application, remove this. UI elements, I just keep this only UI elements and e-commerce and widgets. After the rest of the things will be removed. So widgets, e-commerce, products, right? So I will remove this. Components, remove content, icons, table, authentication. After that I just need this user profile later on to make the admin profile over here, to change some kind of stuff like email, name, mobile, and some kind of social media links. So I'll just keep this user profile where it is in, sorry, it is after authentication. So remove the authentication as well. Just keep this user profile and remove the things. Also while removing some of the things, just check step by step if don't like remove some kind of UL and LI that links to the previous UL and LI part. So here we have the rocker and admin name over here. I will just write admin, and in the kind of name I just search this name. Okay, currently I am writing this admin because my user is not authenticated till. So when we are authenticate user by proper login and signing, making the sign in functionality, after that I will write it like auth user, like this one. Auth user name, like this. But now it actually shows the error of null user, like user is not defined. So refresh it, we have admin, we have this thing, and this is, I think this is working. Yes, this is working also. Let's make a sign in page as well. So auth, inside auth we should have sign in dot blade.php. Okay, and here just we use header and footer already we have. So yes, in the next video we just make this sign in page blade.php file, and we'll make it proper functionality, so that after that we should work on proper admin user in this admin dashboard. So hope you like this video, and please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.